the portal to financial freedom. Welcome, brave adventurer. Today, we invite you to open the enchanted portal to a world brimming with wonder. A world where glowing coins float like fireflies, and the rules are set by the people, not by thrones. This is your first step into the magical realm of cryptocurrency. In this kingdom without a king, freedom reigns supreme. Gold chains are replaced by blockchain nodes, and trust is not demanded. It's proven. Are you ready to unlock the secrets of this mystical world and claim the key of knowledge that awaits you? Let's begin your journey. As the portal creaks open, it reveals an extraordinary land. Imagine a kingdom where everyone holds the power, and no single ruler controls the fate of its people. This is the essence of cryptocurrency, a decentralized system where every citizen has a voice. Here, the treasures aren't buried gold, but glowing digital coins powered by something called blockchain. It's a secure, magical ledger where every transaction is recorded for the world to see, ensuring honesty and justice prevail. Doesn't this sound like a world worth exploring? Picture this: a kingdom without a king. No central authority hoards the power. No royal decree determines how this land exists. Instead, the kingdom thrives on the trust and collaboration of its people. This is the magical ethos of decentralization. In the world of crypto, no one person or organization holds the keys to the realm. Power is shared, with blockchain acting as the enchanted scroll that keeps everything fair and transparent. The best part? You too can be part of shaping this wondrous place. Your journey through this magical land will uncover priceless treasures of knowledge. In this series, you'll learn how cryptocurrencies work, why decentralization matters, and how to recognize opportunities in the crypto realm, all explained in simple, fantastical terms. Think of these lessons as mythical artifacts: a map to navigate this new world, a compass to guide your decisions, and a shield to protect yourself from risks. By the end of your journey, you'll wield the tools to explore crypto's endless potential. Every magical journey needs a hero, and in this story, that hero is you. But to unlock the portal and claim the treasures within, you must grasp the key of knowledge. What is it? It's your understanding of how cryptocurrencies bring fairness, freedom, and possibility into your hands. With this key, you'll not only unlock the world of crypto, but also open doors to financial systems that aren't bound by borders or outdated rules. The key of knowledge is more than a token. It's your ticket to a more empowered and informed future. Adventurer, the portal stands before you, glowing and waiting. Will you step through to claim the key of knowledge and discover the magical possibilities of crypto? Watch this series, explore this fantastical new world, and equip yourself with the wisdom to shape your own financial destiny. The magic begins now. Smash that like button, summon your friends to join this epic quest, and subscribe to keep unlocking secrets in this enchanted world. Begin your journey today. The portal to financial freedom is open, and your future awaits. Throughout the series, you will find valuable links in the description that will guide your way.